Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And someone asked me, with all the features that were added, but that not everybody has, and an example of the preview update that I installed today. Well, the one of the features was the transformation of using the good units here rather than just having kilobytes all the time. It was, it should be kilobytes, megabytes, and gigabytes, depending on the size of the file. And the thing is of course, it's not there yet, as it's rolling out. And somebody asked me, says, well, when we have these new updates, didn't Microsoft at some point said that the control feature rollouts would be something of the past and that everybody would have everything from the start, and there would be no controlled feature release. Microsoft had mentioned that that was the case, but they also now have mentioned that there is something about the rollout of features that they don't understand why it still doesn't want to install necessarily on some machines. They are kind of a little bit baffled by the fact that it still does that even on features that should be there from the start. And so they are tweaking and working on it, but they are saying that for the time being and probably for a while, all of these new features that appear, some will have them, some will not. And it's still going to continue to kind of roll out slowly to machines for the time being, because they kind of have a hard time understanding why all the features are not, of course, there. Remember that you have this switch, get the latest updates as soon as they're available, that you can turn on. Sometimes that turns on also features that were off on the system. But for the rest, yeah, a lot of the things that they are talking about, promising, are still rolling out. So there's, in today's list of all the new features, you might have a handful of them, but a lot of them could still not be there. I went through a few different things. I went to see if there was anything concerning the recovery options, especially for the famous features that we are getting, like point-in-time restore. But I haven't seen any changes here. It's still grayed out up here, and so they're probably at this time around. They put the feature there, but they didn't tweak it this month. So, yep, control feature release, unfortunately, for all of those that want to have the features right now. It's kind of sad to see that you still have to wait for a lot of them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.